So good day guys and welcome back to the channel. To those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you make your comment, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we'll be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So guys, once again, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, make your comments, and follow the Telegram. Guys, so make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on any single updates. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now, guys, if you take a look at this right here on our GBPUSD, before you take a trade, there are two rules you must follow. These are the two rules I'm going to be listing for you guys. The first rule is you need to know your trend. The second rule is trade with the trend. Like I said, first, you need to know your trend. Second, you need to trade with the trend. Now, before we go ahead to take a trade of what we'll be expecting this week, let's go to our weekly time frame and let's start with what is the trend. You can clearly see on our GBPUSD, we are in a ranging market move. So we can clearly see that GBPUSD trend is a ranging market move. GBPUSD is literally ranging, right? So markets comes to tap this resistance, then we had the rejection from the resistance and tried to tap our support, right? Markets eventually came to tap our support level, rejected and came back to tap our resistance. Then it's eventually rejected from the resistance and tried to tap our support. Markets eventually rejected from the support level and came back to tap our resistance. The markets eventually rejected, got to the resistance, rejected from the resistance, and dropped to tap our support, right? Markets eventually rejected from the support and came back to tap our resistance. So market is currently at this resistance level, right? So we will be expecting market to reject from this resistance level and drop to tap our support level. That is exactly what we are going to be expecting. We will be expecting market to reject from this resistance level and drop to tap our support level. So now, this is to tell you that whatever you would want to be doing on your GBPUSD, you would want to be ranging with it. Remember the first rule that I say, know your trend. You know that the trend is ranging. Second rule of trading is trade with the trend. So since it is ranging, we need to range with it. Now, guys, if you take a look at it, at first markets came to here to tap this resistance, right? We had a rejection that made market to drop. Now, market has now come back to retest the same level. And now we are now having a rejection. So this is to tell you that market should drop again. So if you are not yet in the sell, look to going for the sell. Such a movement should be giving you nothing less than 120 pips for the week. So look to take the sell till it come to tap your support level. That will be giving about 130 pips. So you should be grabbing nothing less than 130 pips bearish move for the week on your GBPUSD. GBPUSD is likely to even drop further more. Have that in mind. It is likely to even drop more. So, but with such a movement, we should be able to grab anywhere between 130 to 150 pips for the week. So this is to tell you that a bearish move is what you should be expecting for the week. So if you want to do anything on your GBPUSD, go in for the sell. If you are in the sell, hold your sell position. If you are not yet in the sell, it will be better you still look to go in for the sell for the week. Now let's go down to our forward time frame right here. So markets rejected, gave us multiple rejection, right? Which eventually pushed up, right? Then did give us a pullback, right? Markets eventually push up again, then it dropped to take out this previous higher low level, right? The market eventually pull back. So with this such a pullback, we expect market to eventually drop to form a new low. So we will be expecting market to drop to form a new low, thereby forming a new low value. So guys, this is to tell you that a bearish move, still confirmation that this week will be a bearish move. So if there will be any changes, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So if you do not miss out on the updates, make sure you subscribe, like, and share. Also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.